Hi there, I'm Sai, your Virtual Business Integrator, and welcome to day 6 of 7 days to predictable revenue. Today, we're diving into how to plan a revenue-driving campaign, a crucial step to avoid marketing chaos and align your team around a clear, focused goal. I'll walk you through the mini campaign planning snapshot worksheet, which you can use right now to build a simple, actionable campaign planned right to your 90-day goals. So let's get through it.
Now, let's start with the campaign objective. This is the primary goal you want to achieve. So, it might be increasing qualified leads by 30%, boosting webinar sign-ups by 50%, or closing a set number of new clients. Write down a clear, measurable key result here. This goal will guide every decision you make in this campaign. Next, define exactly who this campaign is for. Get really specific about your ideal audience or client segment. Also note the key problem or opportunity your campaign will address. The sharper your understanding here, the more targeted and effective your messaging will be. And on step 3, the core offer or message. So what is the specific core offer or message you'll promote? Make this clear and focused, whether it's a webinar, a new product, or a special program. This becomes the heart of your campaign content and calls to action. On step 4, timeline and milestone. So set your campaign start and end dates. Then list 3 key milestones or deliverables with target dates. So this might be content deadlines, launch day, or review sessions. This structure keeps your team on track and accountable. And on step 5, assign ownership of the overall campaign success. Also, specify who's responsible for marketing tasks, sales follow-up, and operations delivery, because clear roles are critical to smooth execution and hitting your targets. And on step 6, key performance indicators. Finally, list 3 metrics you'll track to measure campaign success, like leads generated, conversion rates, or sales closed. To use these KPIs to monitor progress and course correct if needed.
This mini campaign planning snapshot is a powerful tool you can use immediately to focus your marketing efforts. But here's something else. I'm about to show you a peek at the full growth engine build campaign planning system I use with my clients.
So inside, this is how it looks like. So inside growth engine build, we take this planning to the next level. Designing comprehensive integrated marketing plans and automating workflows and alignment across your whole team. Build real-time dashboards that drive predictable revenue. Now, if you want expert help to build and launch campaigns with confidence, you can book a free 30-minute discovery call with me. The link is below this video.
And thank you so much for following along. Tomorrow, day 7, will wrap up by tying everything together for sustained growth. See you then!